Puntahan ko na po yung lumubog na motor bangka, Amehara, na naiulat na nawawala naman noong January 19. Balikan lamang po natin kung saan at kailan ito lumubog, ma'am.
Opo, ma'am. We received reports po last 17 January. I think it was a text from isa sa mga pasahero doon sa MV Amihara. So according dun sa text, the vicinity ng kung saan lumubog o kung nasaan sila was somewhere in the Davao Gulf. However, immediately nag-conduct na ng search and rescue operations po ang inyong Philippine Navy to include mga maritime agencies. However, we should note na malakas rin po ang alon at saka mataas ang height ng alon sa area na yon, kaya napadpad po sila. That's why the first passenger that was found was last 20 January. Na-rescue po siya ng PCG and na-turnover po sa Camp Panacan Navy Station Hospital po and na-turnover po sa LGU. However, the other 3 bodies or the other 5 bodies were retrieved. I'm sad to say, na-retrieve po yung labi ng mga nasawi na pasahero ng Philippine Navy through BRP Artemio Recarte, PS-37 at CBRP Tagbanwa. They were retrieved last 24 January. The 5th body was found nighttime na po. So these bodies were found not anymore near or beside Balut Island, but south na. It was near already in between Balut Island and the Philippine-Indonesian international maritime boundary limits na po. So ganun kalayo po ang search at saka yung opo.
Captain Martinez, so accounted na po lahat? Accounted for?
Ma'am, as of now, we are still looking for the 9 missing passengers. Yes, ma'am. So there were a total of 15 passengers according to the manifest. One is alive, 1 passenger is alive. That was turned over po sa Panacan Station Hospital, sa Navy Hospital. However, sad to say, 5 bodies were retrieved by the Philippine Navy through BRP Artemio Recarte and BRP Tagbanwa, dun na sa southwest part ng Balut Island. So we still have 9. So as of this moment, we are still conducting through the leadership of the Office of Civil Defense yung intensified search and rescue pa rin po dun sa area na yon. Your Philippine Navy is there to include yung air surveillance ng ating air assets po ng Navy are still conducting the search and rescue operations in partnership also with other maritime agencies po.
Mayroon na po ba tayong paunang report or ano po, alam na ba natin yung posibleng dahilan ng paglubog nito?
As of now, our priority is the conduct of search and rescue and to see to it that these 9 passengers will be located. So in terms of the investigation, we will leave that to the Philippine Coast Guard because it's under their mandate po.